The problem says Georgia ate 1/4 of the pizza that she shared with her friend Paula. Paula ate 3/8 of the pizza. How much of the pizza did the two friends eat? So evaluating this question, it's asking for a total. And when we're doing a total, we are adding. So that should have been the equation that you wrote. The next set of instructions I asked you to do was to create a model. So we're going to do that. I'm going to create 1/4. And then horizontally, I'm going to create 3/8. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. Drawn 3 of those. Notice I'm not scribbling outside of the lines. I can clearly see my partitioning still. Please don't scribble where I don't know what your partitioning is anymore. And before I forget, your number 2 color is pink. Go ahead and write that down. All right. Second instruction is to partition the first box in the same amount of units as the second. We partition the second in 8ths. So we're going to do that here. And that makes our new fraction, and your instruction said to write your new equation. Your new fraction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when it's hard to read, you can always do an array here. So that's 8 parts out of 8, 16, 24, 32 if you counted, and then you can double check your counting with our trick we figured out. And then we're going to partition this fraction into fourths horizontally. And that makes this one, let's see, 3 by 4, so 12 over 32. So now I have 20 over 32. I'll be super excited if that's what you got, but don't forget you need to simplify. And I do notice that these are 20 and 32 is an even number. So I have always encouraged you to get it to simplify it down a little bit if you don't immediately see a larger number to use. So I'm going to show you a way. So if we know they're both even, we can divide them by 2, and you would get 10 over 16. But obviously, we have an easier way. So you could continue to simplify 10/16, and that's which would be 5/8. But those of you that solidly know those multiplication facts, you would know that 20 and 32, you can multiply both of those by 4, therefore you can divide, or there's a number you can multiply by 4 to get them, which means they can be evenly divided by 4 as well. So this just cuts out a step. You do what's most comfortable for you. Use those multiplication charts in your interactive notebook. You would have seen 20 and 32 in the 4s column. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. 32 divided by 4 is 8. So that would be our simplified answer. So give me a whoop whoop if that's what you got. And your third color is black.